Hi friends, I am back with more videos on Hindi lesson. I am sorry for the delay, I was busy with some stuff. So today we are going to learn about the simple past tense. So how to express past tense in Hindi? I am sure you must be exciting. We must be missing this topic. So that's I felt that we should cover this one. So the simple past tense, the to be form of verb. How to express the simple past tense like I was, we were, they were, you were. So here we begin. If you see the simple past tense and the to be form of verb, you could see here M for masculine and F for feminine and S for singular and P for plural. So the masculine singular is tha. How do you pronounce? Tha. And for feminine singular is thi. I have written in both languages, script in Devanagari script, also in transcribed later. Tha, thi. This means was. This means was. For plural is the. For feminine plural, thi, which means were. So tha for masculine, thi for feminine. For all masculine plural is the. For all feminine and formal plural is thi. Nasalized. You could see there is a dot written there. Thi. Were. So how do we use in Hindi the word order of a sentence? In Hindi would be subject, object and verb. Verb has to be always at the end of sentence. So here, मैं था. This tha is for masculine. मैं थी. This थी is for feminine. मैं था. मैं थी for feminine. This means I was. I was. I was. Now, how do you say we people were? So this would be हम लोग थे. हम लोग थे. I have written in parentheses masculine and feminine same in spoken language. So for male and female is the same in spoken language because this is a male dominant society. Even one singular woman using she will be using the. The, not thing. However, in a written language you can write thing, but socially accepted is the in a spoken language. This means we people were. हम लोग थे. Move to the next. Second person formal. You people were. This is formal. Formal. You people were formal is आप लोग थे. आप लोग थे. For feminine is थी. For feminine is थी. आप थे. आप थी. आप लोग थे. आप लोग थी. This means you people were. Moving to the next. This is you people were informal singular and plural. You people were informal singular as well as plural. So this is तुम तुम लोग थे. For feminine, थी. I have already written there, you could see M for masculine and F for feminine. So this is तुम लोग थे and थी. So तुम थे, तुम थी. तुम लोग थे, तुम लोग थी. Moving to the next, third person. Third person is he, she, this, was, informal and near. Somebody is close to you in a distance and you have an informal relation. He, she, this, was, informal, near is ye, tha. For feminine would be थी. ये था, ये थी. This means he was, she was, this was informal near. ये था, ये थी. Moving to the next, he, she, that was informal and far. I have written already there. He was, she was, that was informal and far would be wo. So in the Hindi script it is written wah, but in spoken language this is pronounced wo. Wo tha. For feminine would be wo thi. Wo tha, wo thi. He was, she was, that was. If it is a male, then tha. If it is female, thi. Now, moving to the formal near. We have done informal near, informal far. This is formal near. You could see formal near. I have written there. He was, she was, this was. Somebody is close to you and formal. Who could be the formal? Formal is somebody is respectable to you. Your teacher, your highly respected person. Somebody is honorific respectable. In our culture, in Indian culture, father, mother, they are formal to us. So this is, and for plural would be these were. These were. So this would be ye, the. For feminine would be ye, thing. Ye, the, ye, thing. Next one is he, she, that was formal far, or those were. He was, she was, that was formal and far. Formal and far. So that is, and for plural would be or those were. वे थे, वे थीं. वे थे, वे थीं. This means those were, or he was, she was, that was formal far. Moving to the next, these people were. These people were would be ये लोग थे. ये लोग थे. For feminine would be ये लोग थीं. For those people would be वे लोग थे. For feminine would be वे लोग थीं. So this was the to be form of verb in Hindi. So for example, if you have to say I was sick. I was sick. If you say I was sick, I was sick. So this would be मैं बीमार था, मैं बीमार था. This is for male. For female would be मैं बीमार थी. This is in Hindi script. So if you are not good enough in script, in a written transcribed letter, this will be written like this. मैं बीमार था. For feminine would be मैं बीमार थी. Okay? So if you say we were sick, so this would be हम. We is हम बीमार थे. This is हम बीमार थे. So there must be a question. So as I told you that for male and female is the same. Always remember हम बीमार थे. In spoken language always थे, even a male and a female for the same. Okay, but if you have to say we people were sick, so this would be हम लोग. Even you can see how I am writing. This is good, useful for you to learn this in the script also. हम लोग बीमार थे. हम लोग. If I am writing a hyphen, this hyphen above the letter means long A. हम लोग बीमार थे. हम लोग बीमार थे. We were sick. This is male and female same, as I told you earlier. Okay? हम लोग बीमार थे. Now, how do you say you were sick? Let's do formal. You were sick, formal. So this would be आप. And in transcribed you can write like this. आप बीमार. 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 This way you can write down बीमार. And for masculine थे. For feminine this would be थी. So question is why it is the and the, though the person is only one? Because it is formal. Always remember with the masculine formal, verb and adjective, everything changed to masculine plural form. Here I am pointing. आप बीमार थे. For feminine would be आप बीमार थीं. You were sick, feminine. Another example, if I give you, this was singular. But if you say you, I hope you'll be able to see. You people were sick. You people were sick. Formal. Here I am writing formal. I am sure you understand the formal. Who is formal? Formal is somebody you have a formal relation. Respected, honorific, respectable. So this is plural. This would be आप. I am writing लोग, आप लोग. Then we have बीमार, बीमार थे. आप लोग बीमार थे. For feminine would be आप लोग बीमार थीं. आप लोग बीमार थे. आप लोग बीमार थीं. So this is you people were sick. Here singular आप बीमार थे. Here is आप लोग बीमार थे. Same thing. Because आप is a formal, so with the honorific respectable, everything changed to masculine plural form. Here I am pointing masculine plural form थे. आप लोग बीमार थे, थीं. Now this was formal. How you use informal? In how do you write informal? So informal would be, if you see, you were sick. I will have to switch the camera so that you can see it. You were sick. Informal. So you informal, you know, तुम बीमार थे. तुम बीमार थे. For feminine is तुम बीमार थी. So there must be a question in your mind. For everything I am using थे. I use हम लोग बीमार थे, आप बीमार थे, आप लोग बीमार थे, and also for the तुम बीमार थे. I don't have any answer for तुम. With the tum, the language is assumed as a plural. Tum is assumed as a plural. So most of the time we use the plural form of verb with the tum. However, in future, in later on, I will be giving you more conjugation of the verb. Sometime it is differently conjugated. So tum bimar the, tum bimar thi. This is for you informal singular. So here I write in transcribe later tum bimar the. This is for those who cannot read the script in the script. Tum bimar the, tum bimar thi. Moving to the third person, if I say he, she, I hope you will be able to understand. He, she, this was sick. He was sick, she was sick, this was sick. And this is informal and near. In means informal. Somebody is close to you. So in a written Hindi, this will be written like this. Ye, ya and ha. but we pronounce ye. How do you pronounce? We pronounce ye. Ye बीमार, बीमार था. ये बीमार था. This is for male. For female would be, I'm sure you know, ये बीमार थी. ये बीमार थी. He was sick. She was sick. This was sick. She was sick would be ये बीमार थी. He was sick would be ये बीमार था. ये बीमार था. Or feminine would be थी. Now, this is informal near. What about informal far? He, she, that was sick. He, she, that was sick. Informal and far. Informal and far. So this would be, written is wah, wah, but we pronounce wo, wo बीमार था. For feminine would be वो बीमार थी. थी. She was sick. वो बीमार था. वो बीमार थी. She was sick. Somebody is informal but far. Now, moving to the formal near. Formal near is somebody is close to you. He, she, this was sick. Fn is equal to formal near. Whenever you write, whenever you get in my classes Fn, F represent formal, N represent near, formal near. Somebody is close to you, near and formal. So this would be, and also this is for plural too. These were for things and object. So this would be ये बीमार थे. For masculine, for feminine would be ये बीमार थी. You could see here the dot, a nasal dot, that makes the nasalization sound and formal. So it would be ये बीमार थे, and for feminine थी. Moving to the next, he, she, that was sick. FF, formal, far, or those were sick. So this would be way. Could you see my handwriting? Way बीमार थे. For feminine would be थी. वे बीमार थे, and for feminine थी. Then we have these people were sick. So would be ye लोग बीमार थे. For feminine would be थीं. ये लोग बीमार थे, थीं. Then we have those people were sick. So this would be वे लोग बीमार थे. For feminine would be थीं. So this is वे लोग बीमार थे and थीं. वे लोग बीमार थे, वे लोग बीमार थीं. So this is all with the to be form of verb, how to conjugate the simple past tense. I hope this is useful and you are getting my classes, and I'm very much looking forward for your comments, and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.